The PBX system plays an important role in managing how music on hold is handled. This gives you the ability to personalize the caller's experience and present a more professional image for your company. To begin setting up music on hold, go to Settings, Voice Prompts, and Music on Hold. In this section, you can create a Music on Hold class, which works as a playlist of audio files played during hold time. Music on hold is commonly shortened to MOH. The first step is to enter a name to identify this MOH class. Next, select the mode for this Music on Hold class, either Files mode or Custom mode. Files mode allows you to upload WAV audio files that will be played according to the selected sorting option. You can choose linear playback to play files in order, or shuffle playback to play them randomly. The first audio file is uploaded automatically when you click Save. To upload additional audio files, return to the MOH class, select another file, and click Update. All uploaded audio files will appear in a list at the bottom of the Music on Hold class. From here, you can listen to the audio files or remove them if needed. You also have the option to set this Music on Hold class as the default Music on Hold class. When you enable this, every module that uses Music on Hold will use this Music on Hold class instead of the built-in HaPBX music. Setting a new default Music on Hold class will automatically disable the default setting on any other class. Only one Music on Hold class can be set as default at any given time. After uploading all your audio files, remember to apply the changes. Another available option is Custom mode. This is an extended feature for the Music on Hold module, where you can use a streaming URL to play back instead of predetermined sound files. To create a custom Music on Hold class, enter a name and select Custom mode. In the Application field, select the application used to play the streaming music on hold. By default, MPG123 is used, but you can specify a different application and parameters if needed. You may leave this field empty to use the default settings. Next, enter the streaming URL. This URL points to the audio stream that will be played and may be provided by a streaming server or an online streaming service. Make sure the streaming URL does not use HTTPS, as Asterisk cannot process HTTPS streams. The Format field defines the audio format that the application sends to Asterisk. Supported formats include ULAW, ALAW, WAV, and MP3, and this field can also be left blank. After completing the configuration, save and apply the changes. When using streaming services, always consider copyright regulations in your region. Also consider the quality, reliability, and suitability of the streaming music content. Keep in mind that any caller reaching your HaPBX system will be able to hear this Music on Hold stream.